Good morning. Very good morning, children. Yes. Then had your breakfast. Yes. Then how are you all? Hope you are all good and safe, right, children? Yes. Then we will start. Yes. Tell me, what is the date today? Today it is 31 August 2021. Today is Tuesday. We have English subject, right? Yes. So let us start, children. Yes, we are in the second lesson. That is a poem. Every day is a new day. Every day is a new day. Yes, we completed this poem in the last previous class, right? I explained also. Yes. So take out your English textbook. Yes. Page number 8. Yes. What we learned, children, about a dog that named Lexi. About that the poet is describing. Okay, let us read once again the poem. Her wet tongue pokes out of her red mouth. Her wet tongue pokes out of her red mouth. Her paws patter delicately, curiously. Her paws patter delicately and curiously. Her eyes are bright in wonder. Her eyes are bright in wonder at nature's creations given. At nature's creations given. Crooked, crushed, gapsing purple flowers. Crooked, crushed, gapsing purple flowers. That everyone can see. That everyone can see. Are greeted every morning by her. Are greeted every morning by her. Curiously and very lovingly. Curiously and very lovingly. With dark nose and padded feet. With dark nose and padded feet. She barks softly and delicately. She barks softly and delicately. Every day is a new day for her. Every day is a new day for her. Lived afresh and wonderfully. Lived afresh and wonderfully. Yes, this poem was written by Shruti Sarathi and Manjula Shukla. Yes, yes. Then in this let us discuss also. We learned, right, children? Which animal does the poem describe? The poem describes the dog. Yes, the animal dog. What pokes out of her red mouth? Her wet tongue pokes out of her red mouth. Yes, children? Yes, then how did Lexi's paw patter? How Lexi's paw patter? Lexi's paw patter delicately and curiously. Yes, yes, then what does Lexi greet every day? What does Lexi greet every day? Tell me. She greet every morning by curiously and very lovingly. Yes, yes. Then next we have words, meanings, right? Let us see what is that words. Delicately. What is that delicately? See, write down. I have already written on the board, children. See, exercise 1, delicately. Copy down now itself. Carefully and softly. What is delicately? Carefully and softly. Carefully and softly. Okay. Then gapsing. What is gapsing? Breathing in loudly with the mouth. Breathing. Okay. In loudly with the mouth. Okay. Write down. I have already written. Please complete now only, children. Then exercise 2. Yes, next we have exercise 2, page number 9, textbook. Literature comprehension. What are Lexi's eyes bright with wonder at? Yes, how the Lexi's eyes are bright with wonder? Tell me. Yes, we have already written. Lexi's eyes bright with wonder at nature's creation. It is a nature's creation, our eyes. Okay, whose eyes? Lexi, that is a dog. Okay, Lexi's eyes bright with wonder at nature's creation. Copy down. Then second question. What we have second question? How does Lexi greets the purple flowers? How she greets? See, Lexi greets the purple flowers curiously and lovingly. Curiously and lovingly. Okay. Lexi, write down. Lexi greets the purple flowers curiously and lovingly. Okay. Complete it, children. Then next third one. How does Lexi live each day? How she will live each day? Tell me. Every day is a new day. Yes, every day is a new day for Lexi, right? Every day is a new day for Lexi. She lives each day fresh and wonderfully. How she lives? She lives each day fresh and wonderfully. Yes. Then next fourth question. How do the poets describe Lexi? How the poet is describing the Lexi? Let us see. The poets describe Lexi as a curious dog. Curious dog who is full of wonder her surroundings. Yes. Then her paw patter delicately and bark is soft. Okay. She has a red mouth and a dark nose. It is visible, children? Yes. Red mouth and a dark nose. Okay. Then she greets each day as a new day to be lived. Yes. Daily the poet is describing her like this. Okay. Curious dog and it is full of wonder and around the surroundings. Her paws patter like it delicately and bark is soft also. Then her red mouth is her red mouth and a dark nose also it is brighter. Then she greets each day a new day to be lived also. It's like this the poet is describing about the dog. Okay. Yes. Please copy down now itself, children. I think the board is visible for you fully, right? So please complete now only, now itself. Yes, children? Yes, this is your class work, right? You have to complete now only. Then next we have exercise 3, read and answer. Onomatopoeia is the process of creating a word that imitates or suggests the sound it describes. We say the cats meow, the cow moves and the duck quacks. This all called as that sound of the animals are called as onomatopoeia. It is called as onomatopoeia. Okay. Yes. Let us see what is that. Okay. Yes. Use the following written sounds or onomatopoeic. Okay. Words to complete the sentence. Here they have given the sounds of the animals. You need to pick the correct one and write here. Okay, this is your homework. This is your homework, page number 9. Okay, this fill in the blanks. Okay, this is your homework. The dash of the clock could be heard in the silence of the night. How the clock will sound, children? How it will sound? Tick-tock, right? See here it is tick-tock. Okay. Then I knew there was a bee's nest nearby. I could hear there. How the bees will make some noise? Buzzing. Yes, see buzzing. Bzz, like that. Yes, that's called buzzing. Write down. Then next, it was so cold that our teeth started to. How our teeth will make noise? Chatter. Right, chatter. See, here it is chatter. Then dash, I heard the doorbell ring. How the doorbell will ring? Ding dong. Yes, see, here it is ding dong. Then the train made a dash sound as it passed the station. How the train will pass the station? Choo choo, like that. It is making a noise, train noise. See, choo choo. Okay, write down that. Yes, children. Then turn next page. Next what we have? Exercise for value based questions. Yes, children. Next what we have? Value based questions, judgment and appreciation. Yes, first one is write about one positive thing that we can learn from Lexi. Which we can learn a positive thing from Lexi. Yes, tell me. You don't know. See, I have written the answer here. Lexi teaches us to be curious about our surroundings and to welcome each day with wonder and curiosity. How Lexi will do us? Lexi will teach us to be curious, very curious about our surroundings. Okay, and to welcome each day. Each day we should welcome with wonder and curiosity. Very curiosity means you need to know something. Yes, that is your curiosity. Now, what next lesson I am going to take? How that lesson would be? You are very curiosity. Yes, you are having a curiosity. How it would be that lesson like that, right? That is curiosity. Okay. Then to do everything with enthusiasm and wonder. Yes, whatever to do every day, the things will be enthusiasm and wonder. Okay, is another quality. It is another quality of the Lexi. Okay, which we can learn from Lexi. We can learn from Lexi. Okay. Yes. Then next question. Do you think it is good to have pet? Give reasons for your answers. Do you like pets? Do you like to keep pets with you? Yes, you like, right? So, yes. Then one more question. You should give reasons for your answer. Why yes? You should give reasons. Yes, how you will give, children? See, I think it is good to have a pet. Yes, it is good to have a pet as they add a lot of value. They add a lot of value to our lives. Okay. Pets keep us lively. Pets keep us lively and active also. Okay. After hard day's work, when we get back home, the love and attention showered on us by our pets. Right? Yes. Help us to feel relaxed and happy. It will make us to relax and happy. Whenever the work is finished, whenever the person is coming to house, and how the dog will react. It will jump on us, it will lick our face, hands and all. Right? It will catch us like this. Right? So that is the love and affection which the pet is showing for us. So that makes us happy. You see how it is it is loving us like that we feel, right? So pet is very good if we have with us. Okay? Yes. Then complete this now itself, children, in page number 10. Exercise 4, value based question. Okay? Here you need to complete it. Now itself, this is class work. Okay? Then your homework which I told, page number 9, exercise 3, read and answer. This is your homework. Yes, children? Yes, complete it. If I have time, I will send the notes also. Whenever I send the notes, you need to complete it. Okay? Yes. Complete the notes. Still we have module 2 also to be completed because our FA1 is very near. So we need to complete it very fast as possible. You people also please do the homework. We are not at all getting one homework also, children. We feel very bad really. You have to send the homework, classwork, everything. Okay, complete it. Your assessment is very near. If you are not sending anything, then when you will complete, please try to complete at least how much it is possible, that much you complete and send it. Okay? Yes. Hope you will do. Yes, children? Yes. Today this is enough, children. So in the next class, we will start with the workbook module 2. Okay? Yes. Then today, this is enough. We will meet you in the next class. Bye.